Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about copy within method, and for this series, let's talk about the entries method in JavaScript. So the entries method in JavaScript is used to create an iteration object that contains key or value pairs for each index in the array. It returns a new array iteration object with an array of index and element pairs, wherein the index represent the index of the element in the array. Let's create a file for the our entries method .js. So in this entries.js, let's create a sample so we can explore more or understand how to use the entries method. So first, let's create an array of fruits. Okay, fruits, and then inside of these fruits, put apple, banana, and maybe orange. Okay, like this one. So let's use the entries for the fruits and store these fruits entries inside of our new variable. Let's say iterator. Fruits that entries, and of these entries we don't have any um, parameter inside of this one. In this our example, we had an array called fruit and then containing three elements. We have apple, banana, and orange. So we use the entries method on fruits to create an iteration object called iterator, like this one. Uh, we need to use for loop to loop the iterate over the iterator and access each key pair. Let's create our for loop and then let entry of iterator. Okay, this one, and let's console.log our the entry like this one, and then let's run this code. So as you can see here, we got from the original fruits that we have a three element apple, banana, and orange. We also have now a, a index value 0, 1, 2. As you can see, the index method returns an iterator object that allows us to access the key value per of each index of the array. This can be useful when you need to work with the both the index and the element during array traversal, or when you want to manipulate the data in a specific way. So since you have a key index here, you can call the the your array by calling the index. So I hope I explain the interest method and help you to understand how to use these entities. If you have any comment and suggestion, or maybe way to more explore this entries method, you can comment in our comment section below. That's it. Thank you and bye bye.